We have another question here. If you buy a soft top, can you just get a used hard top and bolt it on? And is it easy to do? So yes, you definitely can. There you can get the OEM hard top. There are also some aftermarket hard tops.
Yep.
How hard would you say it is to put the hard top on, Dan?
I think I called you before the first time. So when I had mine delivered, the hard top was already installed.
Yeah.
And before removal, instead of Googling, I just called you and I'm like, hey, how do I take off my hard top?
Yeah.
And
There's
you're
like one video on YouTube, maybe, I think that covers it, and it didn't cover it that well. We should actually make one for it, I think.
Yeah, we should. It's pretty straightforward. I think there's 7 bolts that you undo, 3 that do just kind of the interior visor area, and then 4 bolts for the actual hardtop itself.
Right.
Yeah, not challenging at all. Do it once and then you can do it blindfolded.
Yeah, it's super easy. And I do really like how the bolts are sort of integrated into the hardtop itself, and so you can't lose them, because I would absolutely lose them.
Yes, totally. And if you have a light colored interior, just make sure that when you're taking some of the bolts out, you're not wiping your hands accidentally when you're trying to stand back up by pushing yourself off of the seat. Don't ask me how I know that.